When it comes to buying just about anything out there, social media sites have become a major influence in the consumer's buying decision. Now, most advertisers out there understand that social media should be part of their overall strategy. We all know we need a company page and we should be posting a lot of pictures and a lot of videos. And with more and more time being spent with social media, I believe that marketers really need to step up their game and get fully engaged. And now to help you plan your social strategy, here are a few tips and tactics that you can start using that will help you boost your engagement, your interest, and your overall communication with potential customers. Okay, so let's start out with the obvious. You need to come to the realization that this is social media, with the main emphasis being on the word social. Some users out there do use these platforms to actually look for products and recommendations, but most of them are there for the social element. They are looking for pictures and videos of family, friends, reunions, sporting events, fun stuff. They did not log in to hear about your new shipment of whatever just arrived. But unfortunately, most marketers are guilty of what I call the product dump. Every single post screams, new arrival, just in time for the holidays, perfect for anything. And then those same marketers quickly get frustrated when nobody engages with any of their content. I'd like to encourage you to resist the urge to participate in the product dump. Instead, you need to take a much more personal approach. Instead of just featuring all of your products, how about showcasing your customers? People relate to other people. Share a story of how you helped a particular customer. Chances are pretty good there are others out there in the same exact situation and they can relate. Now you've made a much more personal connection. Another great tactic is to showcase your people. Now, you know this already, right? People buy from people and places they know, like, and trust. And social media is a great platform for you to showcase your people and connect with consumers. You could create and schedule a weekly get to know this team member type of a post. And I guarantee your engagement rate will be much higher than the typical product dump. Now, next tip. If you want better engagement, you are going to need to start participating before you post. Now, I get it. You got a lot of stuff on your to-do list, and all you want to do is publish the post and get on with your day. But before you create that post and hit the publish button, you need to spend about 5 or 10 minutes engaging with your customers and your audience's post. Show your customers and the algorithms that you care and you're paying attention. Like a few posts, share some of their content, make a few comments. You will quickly see that these platforms will start rewarding you for your participation. Which leads me to this tactic: quality beats quantity every single time. We all want to jump on every single platform out there and post as much as possible. But you will find much greater success when you focus your efforts by really understanding and participating with one or two platforms and providing really good content versus trying to be everywhere with posts that nobody is engaging with. Now, next up, video. I believe it's time for marketers to really commit to a video-based strategy. We know that 65% of the overall population is visually oriented, and most of them prefer video. I believe it is time for you just to start giving them what they want. Now, if you engage with video, you're going to benefit two ways. First, consumers get to watch a video, which is what they prefer to do. Second, you are going to satisfy the search engines and the social media platforms as they are putting a lot of weight behind properly optimized videos. Next up, start telling stories. It's just not enough to post and broadcast content. Consumers are looking for human connection. And storytelling on social sites is a perfect way for you to interact with your audience and start developing a personal relationship with them. Use social platforms as a conversation channel rather than just a broadcasting or advertising channel. Stories will help you sell a lot more. My final tip, go ahead and create some social-only promotions. The goal with social media is to create content that will engage consumers. And since everybody out there loves a deal, a discount, or some type of a special offer, this can prove very effective. Just don't overdo it, or your deal won't be believable. So get creative and reward your social followers with special promotions and contests that are only available to them through the social media pages. Now, hey, if all this sounds like way too much work, you do have another option. Just open your checkbook and buy ads. Every platform would be more than happy to take your cash and drop your post into someone's news feed. Now, you still might not get a lot of engagement, but people will see it. Now, if you do all this right, I believe your social media marketing can provide you enormous benefits that will help you sell more. You'll get more visibility, more leads, and again, the ultimate goal, a lot more sales. Hey, thanks again for watching this video. I really hope you found this helpful as you go to work building a social media campaign that will be really successful and sales driving for you. And if you did like the content, want to stay up to date, hey, please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that notification bell that is up in the corner, and you can stay up to date with the next video that we put out there. And just in case you're interested, my name's Ron. I'm the owner of HMA, Heider Marketing and Advertising. We are a marketing management agency with our deepest level of experience and expertise being in the automotive sector. And while we do work with a number of car dealers, tire dealers, and auto repair shops, we are pretty well versed in helping just about any retail or consumer-facing company out there. You can learn more about us online or just keep adding to your knowledge base with these videos. Until next time, I wish you good selling.